Hello everybody out there. We have all learnt about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Now let us learn about another type of numbers called rational numbers. What are rational numbers? When we divide 6 divided by 3, we get 2, which is an integer. What if we divide 4 divided by 8? We get 1 by 2, which is called a fraction. This is not an integer but a fraction. Now what if we divide negative 15 by 4? We still get negative 15 by 4, which is not an integer. Observe that when an integer is divided by another integer, we do not always get an integer. Sometimes we get a fraction. In other times we get a fraction having a negative sign. The system in which numbers are also included is called the rational number system. Now, to really define what is rational numbers, take a by b, a number a by b. This is a rational number if both a and b are integers. They both have to be integers. That is, the numerator and the denominator, they've got to be integers, and b should not be equal to 0. Right? Again, a number a by b is a rational number if a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. Let me try to explain this to you with the help of an example. Take the example of negative 2 by 5. This is a rational number as negative 2 and negative 5 are integers. See, negative 2 is a negative integer, 5 is a positive integer, and 5 is not equal to 0. So we try to prove that here b is not equal to 0, 5 is not equal to 0. Take another rational number 4. 4 is also a rational number as 4 is equal to 4 by 1. And 4 and 1 are integers and 1 is not equal to 0. So we call 4 as an integer or as a rational number. What about 0? Is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number, as 0 can be written as 0 by 1 or 0 by 15 and so on. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Right? So let me reiterate once again. A number a by b is a rational number if a and b are integers, but the denominator should not be equal to 0, just as how it is over here. If you take an example of negative 2 by 5, yes, it is a rational number. Why? Because the denominator is an integer and it is not equal to 0. So the fact lies is, in a rational number, the denominator should never be equal to 0. Take this whole number 4. Put in the rational number format, it will be 4 by 1 and the denominator is not equal to 0. Take this whole number 0. 0 can be referred as 0 by 1 or 0 by 15 or 0 by 21 and so on. And please remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So I hope you understood what is a rational number. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed and understood this session. I urge you to subscribe to my channel as there are many more videos coming up. Thank you.